In today's vlog, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. How did we even get here? Me abandoning the thing that I love doing the most, content creation. Well, I've been demotivated, thinking maybe I'm not supposed to do this. I suffered a lot from imposter syndrome, also thinking maybe there are people who are created for this and not me. So I left. But well, I'm back. Let's try this again. Hey guys! Oh my god, it's so don't mind my voice. Like, I have flu, so don't mind the voice. It's been long since I've done YouTube. Like, I don't even remember where it goes. I'm so excited. Okay, so I need to go out to this work thing that we are doing. Like, it's an outing. I'm so late. I was waiting for this person who was going to take this headboard. Guys, this headboard, somebody made this headboard for us, right? But the color that I requested isn't the color that he brought. It's like, okay, just give us, it's fine. But I really didn't like the headboard, so we had to change the headboard. I'm gonna show you guys the new one. It's so cute. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. It's this top and this the black jean, and this is my oversized top. So cute. I love it. I look so cute. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm so late. These are the shades that I'll be wearing. So we went house hunting and we are moving. This is exciting, and I'm so excited for the next chapter. Like, you know, there's like that feel that comes with moving and getting a new place, you know. So yeah, this is apartment number 1. It was quite big. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. We are looking for a 1 or 2 that is affordable, but 1 is convenient for us for now. So this one is a 2-bedroom apartment. It's on the 2nd floor, I think. Is it? I think so. And it was good, but honestly, like, the apartment is good, but I really didn't like that the bedroom, it was quite biggish,
but I didn't like the fact that the house was not well kept. Like, it was, some things were not really tidy. It's not the things that you can, tidy for yourself, like the bathroom, for example. It was not what I was looking for. So I just, even the tiles were like, they looked dirty even when they were not. In the cupboards. So I just didn't really feel this apartment. But this is apartment number 1. It's on the 2nd floor, and yeah, you can see the bathroom. It has a tub, and this is the other bedroom, I think. Yeah, this is the 2nd bedroom, and it's quite biggish, and you can see from the hallway, this is the 2nd bedroom, that is the other bedroom that we're passing, and that is the bathroom, and that is the other bedroom. What am I saying? And that is the kitchen. The kitchen is quite huge. It's okay. And yeah, this is the 2nd apartment. It's almost, okay, not it's almost, but it's the same as the other apartment. But the difference is this one is on the ground floor. And I don't know why, I just loved this one. You can see the lawn is green, and outside is cute. Yeah, but you can see like it's the same, and it looks the same. It's just the same 2-bedroom apartment like the previous one I just showed you. The difference is that it's on the ground floor, and I loved this one on the ground floor, but I just didn't like the floors. I just didn't like the bedroom had carpets, and the carpets were not nice. Like, they were dirty, and the house was a little bit moldy. So I was like, I don't know if it's safe for somebody to stay there, because the house is moldy. It has molds. The toilet has molds. The bedroom has mold. And you can see the bathroom is like that, and the other bedroom is like that, and it's just like the same as the previous one. And this is the 3rd apartment. This one, I loved it, but it's small. The sitting room area is kind of biggish, but the bedroom is small. We realized that our bed wouldn't be able to fit. And I love the kitchen. The kitchen is really cute. It's really nice, but the space is a little bit small, and our things wouldn't have fit. Like, you can see the bathroom is this one. This is apartment 4. We're talking about how unclean this place was. Like, the tenant who was staying in this place left the place dirty. It was so dirty. I was just trying not to really show, but like, it was dirty, but it was, at the same time, it was small. But you can see it's not bad. It's really not bad, but it was small. Even the bedroom was small, and we realized we couldn't like fit our things even if we tried to move here. You can see the bedroom is small. You cannot fit the side pedestals, and you cannot fit like a bed, a big bed, even though we don't have a queen sized. Yeah, because when you are renting and you get big things, it's a problem. That's a story for another time, because we suffered. So yeah, this is apartment number 4. These are the cupboards for the clothes. I just loved that the cupboards were a little big, and this is how it looks. Yeah, it's not that big, actually. It's not that big, but I just love that it has like a double like sink, for you when you're washing dishes to put in the other, which is nice, by the way, because but it said that most 1 bedroom. You see how like what I had to quickly close, because it's the person who was staying here left it dirty, and they didn't even bother to clean. You can see the oven is And this is apartment number 5. These are new apartments, and not like they've not been stayed in. I don't know if that's good English. That's the entrance door. I just didn't like this place because the windows are so small. Like, they are too small. They are at the top, and I really love good lighting. You can see how the windows are, at least in the bedroom, the windows are quite big, a little big, okay, and you can see they were still kind of constructing. Yeah, the bedrooms were small, honestly, and even the sitting room area and the kitchen was small. And this is apartment number 6. This one was big, but I just didn't like it. Okay, it was big. It was really big. Not, yeah, but it was, quite fairly big. And it was a 1-bedroom apartment. You can see the cupboards are there. They are okay. They're big. And this is the bedroom. I just didn't like also the tiles. They were like different. I don't know what I was doing there. I think I was cleaning the camera. Yeah, I think you can see. Let me try open. And this is how they look on the inside. They were not bad, they were quite huge. You can put your blankets on top, your clothes there, and your clothes on the hanger, which is nice. Yeah, there was really nothing much to it. We're gonna get to the kitchen and living area soon. So yeah, it's so close to McDonald's, so convenient. And yeah, it wasn't that bad, honestly, but I just didn't like the tiling because there were different colors and stuff. You can see the bathroom. I also didn't like, I don't know why this is, I'm gravitating towards showers than taps, because sometimes taps like this, you have to wash every time you take a bath. Yeah. And this is the kitchen space. I just didn't like that the carpets were too brown.